Hi, this is June from Planet June, and today I'm going to show you how to work into the back bumps of a foundation chain. The standard method of working into a chain can leave a bit of a loopy, gappy edge across the bottom of your work. Working into the back bumps instead gives you a neat edge with a row of V's that matches the look of the top edge of your piece. If you look at a crocheted chain, you'll see that it's formed from a row of V shapes. If you turn the chain over, you'll see a row of bumps. Each bump is set slightly further from your hook than its corresponding V on the front of the chain, so the easiest way to make sure you start from the correct chain is to count the V's, then flip the chain and work into the bump behind that V. If your pattern says to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, count the V's to the second chain, flip the chain over to see the bump behind it, then insert your hook from front to back under that bump to begin the stitch. Working into the remaining chains is as simple as making a stitch into each of the remaining bumps on the back of the chain. And the result is a neat edge across the bottom of the work, with a row of V's visible that matches the top edge of your work. If you want to work into the other side of the foundation chain, all you need to do is insert your hook under both bars of the V, just like you would with the front and back loops of any other stitch.